TicWatch GTX Smartwatch with up to 7-day battery life, heart rate monitor launched. TicWatch GTX Smartwatch has been launched in India as Google-backed MobVoice budget-friendly wearable. It comes in a single color option and offers features like 14 workout modes and heart rate monitoring, and the company says it delivers up to 7 days of battery life. TicWatch GTX features a sleek circular dial with 2 buttons on the right side. The smartwatch also comes with personalized watch faces and sleep monitoring. It runs on a proprietary OS and will go on sale from next month. TicWatch GTX price. The TicWatch GTX is priced at 5,669 rupees and comes in a single black color variant. As per MobVoice website, the smartwatch is currently listed at a 10% discount from the actual retail price of 6,299 rupees. It can be ordered right now, but shipping will only start from September 3rd. TicWatch GTX specifications, features. TicWatch GTX runs on a proprietary OS and comes with a 1.28-inch TFT touch display with 240 by 240 pixels resolution. The TicWatch GTX has 160 kilobytes of RAM and 16 megabytes of storage. It is powered by RLC8762C chipset. It uses Bluetooth 5.0 for connectivity and does not have Wi-Fi or GPS. There are no mics or speakers on the smartwatch. The TicWatch GTX comes with a Care VC31 24-hour heart rate monitor, a Bosch BMA 421 accelerometer, and sleep monitoring capabilities. It can track 14 different sports modes including cycling, running, swimming, rowing, gymnastics, and basketball. The TicWatch GTX is rated IP68 water and dust resistance. It also offers a variety of watch faces to choose from. The smartwatch packs a 200 mAh battery that the company says can last up to 7 days with regular use and up to 10 days with the power-saving mode on. The TicWatch GTX can be fully charged in 2 hours. It comes with tilt-to-wake gesture support that will light up the screen when you move your hand to check the time. The smartwatch measures 48.7 by 11 mm. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.